Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are outside the Walgreens and I actually have my piercings in for once. I normally don't, but if you don't like them, that's too bad. But anyway, Walgreens has some really good deals. I personally don't have a spend booster this week, but I did see online that we have the spend 45 on PG items. Get $15 in Walgreens cash, so we'll see if I see any signs in the store indicating that it's an in-store promotion, because last time it was spend 35, but every time before that it's spend 30, so we'll see. I have a mini scenario put aside just in case I do see any of those signs. Otherwise, there is a printable breakdown like normal, just in case you want to edit it and take it to the store for yourself or just look at it. There is that subscribe button down below. If you aren't currently subscribed, I'd love to have you as part of my channel. And we will be getting back to regular scheduled Meyer videos starting on Wednesday. They had weird ads the last couple weeks, or like weird ad start dates, and I was gonna do a little short for this one for this week, but that's almost the same as last week to me, so it's not worth my time. So yeah, sorry guys. Anyway, without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So right off the bat, guys, I see one of these. So in store, it's spend 35 on select PG products and we'll get $7. So keep that in mind for later. This is a repeat deal from last week, but it's still pretty good if you haven't done it yet. It's on the Gillette and Venus products. They are buy two, get $6 in register rewards, and these are on sale for $9.99. So you're going to look for a woman's razor and a men's razor for $9.99. So for the women's, you can grab something like this purple one or the pink one here, or all the way down we have this blue one here. For the men's product, this is the Gillette Skin Guard. This is the one that's $9.99. These two products will total you $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's and a $3 digital coupon for the women's. You'll be left to pay $13.98 at the register. Get the $6 register reward for buying two and make them $7.98 for both. Right now, select Head and Shoulder products are on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and select ones are on sale for $7. So what you're going to do is grab two of them for $14. Use the $3 off of two digital coupons, so you'll pay $11 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying two and make them $8 for both. Now, in the past, select Head and Shoulder products are part of the in-store promotion, so definitely check to see if they scan and have that spend 45 offer attaching. This is a repeat deal from last week, but it's still valid and it's still good savings if you haven't done it yet. So it's on the Tresemme hair care. They are buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6. Or if you want the hairstyling products, they are slightly more expensive at $7.49, but most of them do qualify. But grabbing two of the $6 products, your total will be $12. With a $4 off of two digital coupon, you'll be left to pay $8 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying two, make them $4 for both. So right now, this week, Whole Blends and Garnier Fruities are on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and there are tons of different prices floating around. So the Fruities is like the not good deal. The Whole Blends is the good deal, depending on what you want to grab. But the shampoo conditioner are $4.99 for the Whole Blends. So grabbing two will be $9.98. Use a $3 off of two digital coupons, so you pay $6.98 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $3.98 for both. Now for the Fruities products, like some of the hairstylers are $4.99, some are $6.99. These are normally higher, but shampoo and conditioner, regular price, $6.29, not on sale. They are part of that deal though. So if you want to grab these, you can do them online for Walgreens cash and use like WIG 10 or something to save a little extra there, but not on sale. The bigger ones are on sale, but if you want to grab two for the $6.29 price, your total will be $12.58. Use a separate $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $9.58. Receive the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $6.58 for both. Like, this is not a good deal. I would highly recommend just not doing this deal. And if you really, really want to do them, grab these bigger bottles that are on sale for $6.99. Alright, I stopped over here because I was going to talk to you guys about the Pampers deal, because there's a different deal online versus in store, and then I saw this, so I'm wondering if this will apply in store and get this. So we're going to talk about the in-store promotion of buy 3 get 5 and why that's not that good of a deal compared to online. So if you buy 3 of them, they'll ring in at $34.50, because one will ring in at $11.50, or it probably should. So that's how it did online, at least. But if it rings in at $11.50, your total will be $34.50. We'd have a $3 digital coupon, because you're only grabbing 3, so only a $3 off of 2 will apply. You'll pay $31.50, get the $5 register reward for buying the 3, make them $26.50. Now, if you were going to do it online, I would have suggested grabbing 4, because you need to grab 4 to be over the $35 mark. And we have 2 different $3 coupons, so you can grab something like the Swaddlers, the Cruisers, or the Baby Dry, or you can grab the Loves too, but I just stuck with the same brand to make it easier. Yeah, because Loves are 2 for $20, so I mean, whatever you want to grab. But grabbing a total of 4 Pampers will be $46. We have 2 $3 digital coupons, so you'll pay $40. Then get the $10 in register rewards. Well, online it'd be Walgreens cash, making them $30 for all 4, which is cheaper per pack. And online you can use like Waste 10 or whatever you can find that works. But in store, if you can get the $5 and the $10 at the print for this, you'll make them $25 for all 4. So it will make them $6.25 per package, which is pretty good savings. So we'll see. We still have the same promotion for Olay or Old Spice body washes. If you haven't done any of these deals, they're still valid. And it looks like all the digital coupons we have are still valid. So just for example, the Olay body wash is $7. And when you buy 3, you'll get $5 in register rewards. So you'll grab a total of 3 of them for $21. Then use $5 off of 3 digital coupons, so you pay $16 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 3, making them $11 for all 3. The Old Spice is part of that promotion. The Pure Sport is the only one for $7. The rest of them are all $8. So do your math dependingly. But if you're going to grab both the Olay and the Old Spice, you need to do them in separate transactions, as only one $5 register reward would print. Dove body wash is on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. Even though the tag doesn't reflect the register reward deal, it is an item that is qualified. So you'll grab 2 of them for $16. We have a $6 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $10 at the register, get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $7 for both. Right now, select Crest and Oral-B products are on promotion for buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. So you can grab something like the Crest 3D toothpaste that are $5, or you can grab some of these twin packs of Oral-B toothbrushes. But regardless, you'll grab 2 products for a total of $10. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupons, so you'll be left to pay $6 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying 2, make them $2 for both. If you're getting sick of stacking up on toothpaste and toothbrushes for the $5 price point, you can grab these Oral-B Gum Care floss picks instead. The $4 off of 2 digital coupon works on these. Or if you prefer, you can also grab these Scope mouthwashes. They also are included, and the $4 off of 2 works on these. Plus, these do work for the Spend 45 PG deal as well. Select Colgate products are on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4. You'll grab 2 of the $4 ones for $8. Use that $4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $4 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both. We have easy savings on Arm & Hammer if it's a brand you like. They're on sale for $1.95, so you can grab like these little guys, or the action packs, the 14 counts, or the scent boosters are on sale for $1.95 as well. Right now we have a really good deal on select laundry products. So it's on like Tide, Febreze, Bounty, Charmin, those kind of products, but they're buy two, get $5 in register rewards. And these ones are on sale for $12.99. So you can grab something like the Tide Pods and then grab like a Tide liquid, for example. So just for example, these would be two products you would grab. Your total would be $25.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the liquid and a $3 digital coupon for the pods. You'll be left to pay $19.98 at the register, but we'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $14.98 for both. So I just noticed that this deal is not in the ad, so I don't know if it's gonna work. In the ad, it shows a $15.99 price with a $4 register reward back. So don't know. But if you want to grab the Charmin instead, this 9 equals 36, it does say it's included. So I'm actually going to do this deal and test it out. So we'll let you know. So right now this week is select Gain products or like the Tide Evo or buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $9.99. So you can grab something like the Gain Flings or the Gain Liquid. You can come grab the Gain Softener, or if your store sells the massive box of dryer sheets, you can grab those as well. So for example, these two products would be what you would grab. Your total will be $19.98 for both. We have a $2 digital coupon for the flings and a $2 digital coupon for the liquid. You'll be left to pay $15.98 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $10.98 for both. This week's select products are 4 for $10, and you'll mix and match, grab whatever four you like. The products that are included are the single count of the air mist. Also, the fabric sprays are included. The 2-pack of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers are included. This specific Gain dryer sheet, or you can grab the Bounce dryer sheets, or we have this Downy softener that's included. This is still going on. If you haven't done this, the Febreze bathrooms are on sale for $3.49. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, making them just 99 cents. Walgreens brand storage baggies are buy one at $2.79. You'll get two free, so grab whatever three you like for the $2.79 price. So right now, Pepsi products, including Mountain Dew, are buy two, get two free. So you'll grab a total of 4 of them for $22.98. Coke products are also buy two, get two free, but these ones will be 4 for $21.98. So you're saving $1 grabbing Coke products, but you can always use Walgreens cash at the register. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this PG spend 35 deal first, and then try the Pampers deal. That way I'm not spending a ton of money out of pocket. I think I have like $10 in register rewards to roll as well. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and like I told you guys, I did 2 separate transactions. The first one was the PG spend 35 deal. So I grabbed the Tide Liquid, the Tide Pods, and the Head and Shoulders. So for register rewards, I had 4 different ones, either $4 or $5 and $2. But I don't understand why the $4 one came off like this. I've never seen that with a register reward. It looked like one of the newer register rewards, so I don't know. Yeah. But for digital coupons, all three $3 came off. So one for the Tide, one for the Head and Shoulders, and one for the other Tide. So my subtotal was $17.98. So that's what I swiped my card for. Then I got back. I didn't get back the spend 35 the register reward, unfortunately, but I did get a spend 30 get 6 Walgreens cash, which I haven't gotten a spend booster in forever, so it's $1 less, but I'm not complaining that much. I've thought about submitting for the Catalina offer, since it is an in-store offer and I bought items that did qualify. I've never tried submitting for like the spend 40 in-store or anything, so let me know in the comments if you have and you've gotten those register rewards back from Catalina. Oopsies, I just never have, because I'm just dropping stuff, guys, sorry. So then I did get the $5 and the $6 like I showed you in this pop-up screen, I actually wanted to roll those into the next transaction, so that's why I grabbed everything like I did. So I grabbed 2 sets of the Huggies, as you can see. Then I had the spend 30 get whatever, $6. And then for register rewards, I got the 5 and the 3 from the previous transaction. I don't know why I said 6. It's 3. Yeah, anyway. So then I had the 2 $3 digital coupons for this one. So my subtotal was $32, like I expected. I did get the $6 in Walgreens cash. I did get the spend 35 get $10. So this one did work in store. And I also did get the $5 one for buying 3. So this one does work perfectly fine in store as of right now. So like I said, grabbing all 4 diapers, they're $6.25 a pack, which is pretty good savings. Especially for Walgreens. I feel like we haven't had that great of deals lately. We used to be able to grab them for, I think, what, $7? Like that was our stock up price. And now we can hardly get them that cheap. So yeah, but thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.